Hello, I am Muhtasim Haidarohit. This is my the modified game engine. Here I have created the strategy pattern for missile. Here I've created the missile package. First of all, this is my MBC architecture, and inside the model I have the missile strategy package. Here I have missile class. Then I have missile animation strategy interface. Then I have missile shooting class and missile exploding class. Also, I have the UFO strategy pattern where I have the UFO class. Then I have UFO strategy interface. Then UFO animation flying class and UFO animation falling class.